Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Hunter.io and Seamless AI. These are two popular B2B sales prospecting tools. Now this comparison focuses on features, data quality, integration, pricing, and ideal use cases. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with primary use case. In the case of primary use, Hunter.io is for email discovery and verification, while Seamless AI is for B2B lead generation with real-time data enrichment. When it comes to core functionality, Hunter.io finds and verifies professional email addresses, while Seamless AI provides verified contacts, emails, phone numbers, and company data. When it comes to target audience, Hunter.io is targeted at marketers, recruiters, sales reps looking for verified emails, while Seamless AI is targeted at B2B sales teams, SDRs, marketers needing complete contacts plus firmographic data. When it comes to data sources, Hunter.io uses public web data and proprietary email databases, while Seamless AI uses real-time web scraping plus AI-enhanced proprietary database. When it comes to email verification, Hunter.io has highly accurate standalone tool, while when it comes to Seamless AI, email verification is included, but not as accurate as Hunter.io for email-only use cases. Now, Hunter.io does not use phone numbers, while Seamless AI uses phone numbers, including mobile and direct dials. When it comes to CRM integration, Hunter.io integrates into HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zoho, Books, and others, while Seamless AI integrates into Salesforce, HubSpot, Outreach, LinkedIn, and more. When it comes to browser extension, Hunter.io has Chrome extension for email discovery on websites and LinkedIn, while Seamless AI also has browser extension for Chrome extension with full contact and company info on LinkedIn. When it comes to data accuracy, Hunter.io is very accurate for email verification, while Seamless is variable. You see wider data but occasionally outdated or incorrect. Now when it comes to ease of use, Hunter.io is very simple and streamlined interface, while Seamless uses feature-rich but steeper learning curve. When it comes to enrichment capabilities, Hunter.io is limited, mostly email-related info, while Seamless uses strong titles, roles, locations, tech stack, and funding info. When it comes to compliance, Hunter.io is CDPR compliant, clearly states data sources, while Seamless claims compliance but is less transparent on sources. When it comes to pricing, Hunter.io has a freemium plan where you get free 25 searches per month and a paid plan from about $49 per month, while Seamless has no free plan. Paid plans start at $147 per month, and higher tiers go up significantly. Now, is there a trial availability for Hunter.io? Yes, it's a free version available. For Seamless, yes, it's also a free trial, but it's credit based on requests. Now, when it comes to the strength, Hunter.io has accurate emails, ease of use, and affordable. While when it comes to Seamless, it has all-in-one prospecting, deep contact info, and CRM automation. When it comes to their weaknesses, Hunter.io has no phone numbers and has limited firmographic data, while Seamless has data quality, but they can vary and is expensive and has a more complex UI. Now, Hunter.io is best for users focused on finding accurate emails quickly, while Seamless is best for teams needing full contact profiles plus phone numbers and CRM syncs. In summary, Hunter.io, like I said, is best for email finding and verification. Its strengths are accuracy, simplicity, and affordability. Its limitation is no phones or deep enrichment. While for Seamless, it is best for full funnel sales prospecting. Its strength is data depth, real-time enrichment, and its limitation is costly, sometimes inconsistent data. Hope you found this video helpful.